Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlogs. Hope everyone's doing well. I don't know why my voice sounds like this. It sounds like my voice is about to go away, which really wouldn't be convenient with the vlogging shit, but I think it's just because I haven't drinking water, so my throat's kind of dry. I still don't know why I'm feeling a little under the weather. Not necessarily like fever-wise, but just like congestion and mucus and snot. It's just annoying. I don't know why, but I was pretty much up late, like damn near all night last night. Well, not that late. I tried to sleep a little bit earlier because I've been sleeping at like 4 a.m. for the past like week. I've been sleeping around like 4 a.m. for the past couple of nights, which is not really healthy. It's just because I have so much stuff to balance and do. Like I said, guys, if it wasn't for finals week and for this to be the end of semester, I don't think it would be as hard as it is to balance all this stuff. But man, I think it's starting to take a toll on like my mental. It's okay because it's all worth it. Because this is what I love doing, you know? I tried sleeping a little bit earlier last night. I slept at like 2 a.m. It was like 2 hours earlier, but it's honestly better than nothing. I really don't know what much I have planned today. All I know is that I gotta go to work. I do have something that I have to attend later today around like 3 p.m., but I don't know if I could disclose what it is just yet. I don't even know if I could film there in general. And then I have another final that I should probably do tonight. It's not due until Sunday, but I've heard through the Discord that it takes around like 4 to 5 hours. And I'm like, fuck, I should probably just get it done and over with. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and hopefully have time to do that tonight. And then maybe study a little bit and then hang out with my friends because I miss hanging out with them. Just going back and forth with school and work and sitting in front of my screen the whole time trying to edit and all this stuff is, you know, can get draining sometimes. So it's good to have, you know, balance between work and your social life too. You know, it's important to always balance work and social because like in both their own respects, it's very important for your lives and just like your sanity, especially for mine at least. But yeah, guys, don't neglect your social life. I know it's really easy to get caught up in the grind and like hustling and bustling. Nothing wrong with that. Keep doing that shit. But also don't forget about, you know, the people around you, your friends, your family, because all this stuff is like temporary. You should definitely value the people around you because, you know, nothing could buy you relationships like that. You could be like the richest person in the world, but that money can't buy you genuine people or genuine connections because they'll only be fascinated and interested with your relationship for that money. Value you guys' relationships, make sure to foster it, make sure to take care of it because that's honestly one of the most important things in this world is just your relationships with people. So yeah, don't forget to hang out with your friends, spend time with your family, but don't forget to always grind your ass off as well. All right, it's time to go to work. Just finished up at work. I'm gonna go head home right now and get some assignments done, get started on the edits, and then also get ready for my event in a bit. Well, you see, typically before I leave in the morning, I always try to have my bed made because it's like one of the few things that kind of makes you feel accomplished in the morning. And it just kind of gets your day started off right because, you know, you start off being a little productive. But unfortunately, I kind of lost that habit because ever since Jazz started sleeping over more often, she actually just stays behind while I go to work. So I don't really have the need to to fix the bed in the morning because she's still obviously sleeping. But whenever she's not here in the morning, I tend to forget to fix the bed because obviously I'm not as used to fixing it as often anymore. But yeah, if you guys don't make your bed already in the mornings as the first thing you do, please make sure you do so. That's like one of the main things that people should make a habit, because it honestly just builds more habits in the future. And who doesn't like coming home to a clean bed? I did my best to just tidy it up a little bit while I'm here after fixing the bed, but just wanted to show you guys something that I have. It's just pretty cool. I forgot who made this for us. The guy that made this pretty much made it for everyone in Sokdo at WeekFest. I think it's pretty cool that he gave us both 2 copies. I forgot who made it? I know he posted on his story, but trust me, I'll find your at. Thank you so much again for this. This stuff is cool. I need to find a way to hang this stuff. This box of Razer headphones that I got for like 30 bucks during like Black Friday. And I've just had it here. It's like, you know how like you collect Apple boxes after you buy like Apple products like your iPhone or a Mac? You just keep the box for some reason. It's kind of like, I don't know why I have this. For those who are interested, that's my sim. That's kind of the reason why I had to buy these headphones, because, you know, how else am I gonna hear? That sim definitely needs it doesn't look like a sim, but it definitely needs a upgrade. For those who are interested, it's a Moza R5 with the clutch pedal. No shifter yet, but I just use the paddles and then I just clutch in. So I drift. But I literally haven't touched it in weeks. And it's collected so much dust and I miss it so much. But yeah, I need to throw this away. I don't know why I haven't. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a Q&A here. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure you guys do so. During Vlogmas, I've been posting on my story of little Q&As and give you guys opportunities to ask me questions and whatnot. So if you wanna have your own question to be asked and I can answer it on the video for you guys, that's the best place to do so. But let's go ahead and answer just a few of these. First question's from Asher. He asked anything. I mean, to be fair, I did say ask me anything. But really, bro? I miss you, man. Where have you been, man? Once finals is over, we're kicking it, bro. Because I can't. I can't. Brian H. Liu asks, is a turbo kit the next mod? No, I'm not turboing this car anytime soon. I think these cars come perfect out of the factory. People call it slow. I don't give a shit. I don't really see the 8.6 as a turbocharged car. I see it as a lightweight, fun-having, full NA, just like, you know what I mean? Just, I don't really see it fitting in my ethos with what I plan for the 8.6, so turboing is probably never gonna be an option for me. If I wanted a faster car, I'd buy a faster car. Isaac asks, where do you envision yourself in the next 5 years? Honestly, the next 5 years, like honest to God, guys, I see myself doing YouTube full time. I want this to be my main gig. I want this to be my main career. Like, this is what I want to pursue. I love creating content. I grew up on YouTube. It just makes sense. It's funny because I never really took college that seriously. I mean, obviously I take my academics seriously, but all the extracurricular stuff that you should be doing in college, such as like going to internships, going to career fairs, making your LinkedIn look nice and all that stuff. You know, I still have like a nice LinkedIn, relatively, along with a relatively nice resume. Yet again, if a corporate job comes my way, I wouldn't mind it. But honestly, guys, I'm like a firm believer on if you have a dream, chase it. For me, like I aspire wanting to be a full-time content creator on YouTube. I want that to be like, that's my dream, man. Like, I want to be able to do this full time. It's kind of why I'm putting in the work now and grinding my ass off, making the sacrifices, staying up till 4 a.m. doing all this stuff, because ultimately, this is what I really want to do. Obviously, we see now the power of social media and all the possible career opportunities that it provides. Like, it's no joke. And obviously, with something that's super rewarding, it has to involve a lot of risk. I know I'm taking a lot of risks by fully going into this. I know I'm taking a lot of risks by not doing internships and all that stuff, but you kind of have to be a little delusional and a little bit crazy just to achieve what you want in life. I just don't want this to be a dream. I want this to become a reality, and I'm doing everything in my power and taking advantage of all the privilege and resources that I have, because I know a lot of people that would die to be in a position that I have to pursue this as a career. But luckily, I have supportive parents. I have supportive friends. My girlfriend supports me. I have all the resources around me and all the support to keep me going. And I have you guys. Like, if it wasn't for you guys DMing me, commenting on the videos, and just showing like all the support, it only motivates me even more. I didn't want to make this super long. For this overdrawn question, that's that. I want to pursue this full time, and I can't wait to look back at this video and be like, damn, I really did it. Jesse asks, have you thought of ever driving the Tail of the Dragon or do any type of road trip with the 8.6? Yes. I've always wanted to do a road trip with my car, and Tail of the Dragon is definitely one of like the roads that I really, really want to drive on. It's just mad far. Like, I'm from Cali. I don't remember how far it is, but I remember looking at the distance and it's like 1,000+ miles. I'm like, fuck, I don't know about that. That would definitely be really cool to do because that road looks so fun and it's just like known to be a really good road. Okay, this is a good question. How hard was it to balance school, work, content, cars, all at the same time? Any tips? If people know me, I don't really have like plans. I don't really have things that are like really thought out. I kind of just go for it type of thing. But yeah, it's really hard because I don't have a plan and I'm just kind of running and gunning it. It's very hard. It takes a lot of commitment. You know, there's no one here telling me to post these videos every day other than myself. So you kind of just have to have some discipline and you just gotta want it that bad. But yeah, you just gotta want it that bad. That's the only tips I could give you. And that'll be it for the Q&A. I know I have a lot more questions here that I really would love to answer, but I do not wanna have to edit this portion of the vlog because it's really long and I have the rest of the day. But until then, that's all I'm answering.